Guys, this ought to drive the trolls and the haters kind of sort of psycho. How about a $20,000 day, guys? Now the momentum is just going to keep building up, guys. We're just literally getting started. In case you don't know, I mean, this is just getting started. Once again, guys, we're showing proof is all we're doing. Now I'm gonna stop showing this proof because it's kind of starting to get out of hand. And when you stick your freaking chandelier out there just a little too far, it sometimes gets cut off. So this is probably going to be the last proof video I show you guys. But this is a $20,000 day. Basically, what you have there is there's 8 personal clients. Those are $2,000 clients. There's about 8 of them, and then there's 4 I put on this side. 4 $1,000 clients. Those are from my affiliate commissions from people like you that actually came in the program that made sales. You guys get 50% commission. So 1,000 goes to you and 1,000 goes to me. Basically, you guys get a 50% commission of my Residual Zilla product that we're selling for $2,000. Okay. Once again, guys, at the beginning of these programs, hundreds of thousands of dollars will be paid out. That's the way it always is with brand new programs. Now, also, just let you know, we're actually having some heavy hitters come in, guys. We're actually now starting to sign up heavy hitters. We got their attention in this industry, and what they will do is actually suck most of you guys as friends off your Facebook under them. That's what's going to happen now. I'm not trying to scare you. That's just a warning, because that's actually what happens. The big heavy hitters, when they come out and get in these programs, guys, they pretty much take a lot of you guys as customers that could have been yours. These people could have been paying you. Instead, they're going to pay them. You guys understand? Okay. Now, we also do use a Facebook traffic software, and you guys do pay for the Residual Zilla, which is the big boy of all traffic programs, guys. Automated traffic program called Residual Zilla. That's our product. Just ask for step 2, guys. Step 2 will actually share with you what we're doing and our products and stuff like that. We're selling a product. There's nothing illegal about any of this. We're just simply selling a product. The problem, I think, what's getting most of you guys a little nervous is you guys aren't used to being around us big boys that make big boys and big girls. Big girls make this kind of cash too online, guys. We just sell a high ticket product, guys, is all it is. The cash kind of scares somebody. Once again, guys, I don't care if all this fell out the window. Alright? So if you're interested, guys, ask for step 2 in the video. Step 2, it's a 1-hour webinar. Sit through it, guys. It actually feels like 15 minutes because it's so packed, so full of content. That webinar should change a lot of you guys' life, because it's just on, guys. It's on. Alright? Okay, once again, guys, you probably won't see me doing this much anymore. This is getting old. And, you know, like I said, the momentum's kicking in now. It's the only reason, guys, is the momentum is kicking in. We're having more people actually do the program now, so that means more cash will be flowing, basically. So I'm not going to show you anything higher than this, though. You know, $20,000 a day. I'll probably get up to where I have $100,000 a day, but I'm not going to be stupid, guys, and show that on video. This here is already cheesy enough for you professional marketers. Yes, this is cheesy. This is the cheesiest thing I think we've ever done. Show cash on videos. This is cheesy, but you guys need to show proof today. Now everybody's done running lies and shenanigans on people. You kind of want to show proof, guys. So if this does interest you at all we're doing is simply promoting a product, guys. That's all we're doing. That's all you're going to do. There's no hype here. There's no whatever. You just simply promote a product. People either buy it or they don't buy it. All right, I got to go. The wind's blowing my money away. All right, love you guys. If interested, ask for step 2. Have a good one.